Learning to not take words seriously. Lessons from Sri Sargadatta Maharaj. There's a couple examples of this with the book I Am That and the Sargadatta's teaching. One of them is he says, as long as you take words seriously, you are like children. The other example I want to bring up is he mentions that there are times when people tell him things about themselves, about their lives, and he listens very intently, and he's even interested in what they're saying in a way that's engaging. But ultimately, he sees them as describing a dream. And this leads into actually a discussion of narcissism. And further discussion on the silent prayer and the idea of letting the God or the universe take a hold. This is so crucial. And once again, in even another dimension, it leads into the idea of, in the Bible, when it says, you can either serve God or you can serve money, but you can't serve both. You cannot serve two masters. And at some point, we all need to choose between serving God and serving money. Don't take words seriously. People will say whatever they want, but it makes no difference. First of all, because they usually don't keep their word. But even if they intended to keep their word, it's ultimately not up to them. What happens? It's up to the universe. It's up to God. See these conversations for what they are. People describing a dream. Listen, be engaged, and then let it go. Because you're not in control. And the more you try to be in control, the more you will end up serving money. Because money is a form of control. But as long as you're serving money, you won't be happy. You can never be at peace. You can never truly love people. And you will never know what heaven is really like. But then paradoxically, in the Bible, it also says that there is an importance to words. Words can be very important. You know, this is another one of the paradoxes. Paradox is the language of the universe, is a phrase that I came up with. So how does that work? Consider this. There may be what we call words that point to the Absolute or God. These are the words that matter. But the words among humans in the worldly affairs, they are as a dream, because the world is a dream. But reality is not a dream. So as long as there are these words that point to reality, those are the important words. Which words matter?